A complex processing cycle is required to extract valuable metals from ore. It all starts with mining. The ore is extracted from the underground resources and delivered to a beneficiation plant. Over there, it is crushed to break the hard pieces into smaller ones. This is important, because ore metals are often hidden inside the rocks. Crushing is followed by beneficiation using various methods: flotation, magnetic or gravity separation. Valuable components are separated from barren rock. The resulting concentrate contains much more metal, but is still not a pure product. The subsequent steps include burning, smelting, or chemical processing, which depend on the type of metal. Grinding constitutes an individual and very important link in this chain. This is a process wherein the already crushed materials are further processed to an even finer fraction, sometimes to a micrometer size. That's necessary, because the finer the particle, the easier it is to extract metal therefrom. Let's say, in case of flotation, finer grinding allows for more efficient separation of valuable components, and in hydrometallurgy, it improves the dissolution of metal in reagents. Ball and rod mills are typically used to address this task, but their grinding fineness is limited to several hundred microns, which does not allow for full development of ores with thin inclusions of valuable metals. In view of the above, Globecore has developed a technology for grinding of ores and concentrates with the use of AVS Vortex layer machines. These machines operate as follows. The processable material, in our case, mineral or concentrated ore, and ferromagnetic particles are placed in the operating chamber. There is an inductor around the chamber to convert AC power into variable magnetic field energy. This magnetic field has an effect on the ferromagnetic particles, causing them to move intensively and randomly inside the chamber. Intensive movement of ferromagnetic particles ensures their constant colliding with one another, the operating chamber walls, and the processable material particles. The frequency of these impacts is quite high, which ensures the necessary conditions for grinding of mineral or concentrated ore down to several microns in combination with a low impact force and other factors, ultrasonic vibrations, magnetostriction, high local pressures. This opens up new opportunities for more complete extraction of useful minerals. In particular, Globecore Vortex layer machines are efficient in grinding of precious and rare metals, as well as low-strength minerals, such as sulfides, chalk, kaolin, talc, and others of the kind. In addition, compared to mills, which are typically used for grinding of mineral or concentrated ores, Vortex layer machines offer other advantages. These include electricity savings due to less power consumption. Depending on the model, one Vortex layer machine consumes merely 4.5 to 9.5 kilowatts. Compact dimensions and easy integration into the existing mining facilities. Noiseless operation and easy maintenance. Additionally, Vortex layer machines can also be used in processing of mining waste dumps and heaps. Our customers often contact us for addressing this particular task. What other stages of precious metals production could Vortex layer machines be used for? Submit your options in the comments section. More information on the Globecore technology and equipment for grinding of mineral or concentrated ores can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.